has her wonderful puppet show, so we're super excited to have that presentation as well. So I will pass it over to Elizabeth now, and I hope all of you enjoyed the assembly, and thank you again for coming today.
Welcome to the Dance Family Filtration for Culture and Talent Show February. We have exciting program and celebration about many different cultures that we both here at Joint Secondary School. Let's begin our February with the drumming ensemble. They will be performing 2 songs. The first song represents South Africa.
walk this way. I'ma say that every word was on my name. I'm the best you ever had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am.
God is our
Now be performing that save itself but to threat.
I remember you said National Jewish song. They will be singing and dancing.
Shalom Aleichem. Shalom Aleichem. Shalom Aleichem. Shalom Aleichem. Havelu Shalom Aleichem. Havelu Shalom Aleichem. Havelu Shalom Aleichem. Havelu Shalom 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 Aleichem. Havelu Shalom Aleichem. Havelu Shalom Aleichem. Havelu Shalom Aleichem. Havelu Shalom 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 Aleichem.
Okay. Hello, everyone, students, staff. I wanted to share with you the importance of optimism and how optimism can change the world. I'm a little nervous. Okay, so, power of positivity in my life. The importance of changing your mindset and how to change the world. Firstly, the importance of optimism in my life. Optimism is so important because I value education and success. I want to learn, I love learning, I'm very curious about everything. And I love to learn because it helps you to improve. So, for example, when I first started my work, I didn't really know what I was doing, but I went into it with a positive spirit and an open mind, and I learned so many new skills. I love to be curious about things. I want to always try new experiences. I want to try new foods. I want to travel to meet people from different cultures and learn about the world. I think a positive approach to life is to have an open mind and to be curious about everything. The second thing I want to talk about is changing your mindset. In the past, I've struggled with anxiety and stress. Sometimes I feel overwhelmed with school and work. If I can't focus and I start to feel down, I was wondering, why am I feeling so bad all the time? And then I realized social media was a really negative place. There was a lot of negativity on social media, lots of negative comments or people posting videos that just made me feel icky. And I thought constant exposure to this toxic negativity is really pulling me down. So I decided to focus on the positive, to get rid of all the negative things and focus on the good. Now, if I start to find myself feeling down, I know it's time to take a break, take a walk, get outside, get some fresh air. 5 minutes of knitting can really improve my mood. It's very important to take care of your mental health and your mind, and I do that with positivity. The third thing is changing the world. This world can be a really negative, scary place. There's lots of wars and fires and famines and poverty. When I see people sick and dying, oh my goodness, I'm so heartbroken and grief-stricken, and I want to help. I think, what can I do to help people? Because we're all people and we're all connected and we need to find solutions. Maybe I can help physically with medicine or helping somebody with a hand up. Maybe I can help with finances. I can donate money, or I can spread awareness about important issues like clean water. Or maybe I can offer emotional support. If someone is struggling, if a person is feeling lonely and having a hard time, I can offer love and acceptance. I can help people to cheer up and make them laugh. And I can tell people that if you're not feeling it, it's okay to need help. I want to have a soft heart for myself, for other people, for nature, for the environment. I try to shine my positive light all the time. But I'm telling you, one person is not enough. We need to all shine our positive lights together, because together we're powerful and we can change the world. Thank you!
parents, and retired staff of the assembly today. Now, those were great performances, weren't they? You know, the Toronto District School Board recently published its multi-year strategic plan. And two of the main pillars of that plan, first pillar is we should ensure that students belong. And you know, one way in which we can tell that students belong, it can be based on just observing their attendance. And I know that our kids are here every day. Another measure of belonging is the involvement of parents that we see here today. So I think we're doing a pretty good job of ensuring that our students feel that they belong. I know that when I heard Three Little Birds, it made me feel a certain way. And I'm sure when Taylor sang the Taylor Swift song, a lot of people felt a certain way. Or when Sam sang Haidenu Shalom, people felt a certain way. So the feeling of belonging is very much alive today, and it's what we strive for at the Toronto District School Board. You know, another pillar of the multi-year strategic plan is students must thrive. And I know many parents have come here year after year and they've seen, you know, their children growing in confidence and growing in skill. And this is the thriving that we want to foster at Drury and in the TDSB. Now, belonging and thriving are not easy to achieve. And we can achieve that because we have staff that are dedicated and committed. So I want us to give a round of applause to all our very hard-working staff. And as all of you know, Ms. Razak is amazing. I mean, I know all the parents here would love to have their children in Ms. Razak's class. But you know, everyone has to get a piece of the pie, okay? If not this year, next year, plus next year, the year after that. Or the year after that. She's going to be around for a while. So, Ms. Razak is the leader of these activities today, but she was well supported by a lot of staff. So I just want to thank you, thank all staff, thank you parents, thank you students. You all did great. Have a wonderful day.
I want to thank Mr. McDonald for his special talented edits he put in to our assembly, and Kamalog's edits too. I want to thank Ms. H for everything she has done to help the choir out. I want to thank all families, friends, cousins, aunts, uncles, and grandparents for coming out to watch your children perform amazingly. I want to thank all the teachers and staff for everything they have done to get the students prepared for the assembly. Have a great rest of your day and have a great rest of your week. Thanks so much and have a great day.